Hello, my name's Gabby Gaston. I was the sound designer and composer for the game Ceramic Soul, and in this video, I'll be going over some of my adaptive music in the game. In the main menu, the music track has the piano panned to the right where the piano is positioned. When the player enters the options screen, the camera pans to the piano. I wanted to highlight the transition by soloing the piano at this point. I also wanted it to be panned center. In order to both solo and pan the piano, I had to use a horizontal layering scheme. I used a track each for the menu and options. I set up a transition so that when the music playlist state switches between menu and options, the two versions crossfade smoothly. On this path, the player has to walk between giant dolls to get to the door leading to the next level. The further they go, the more obvious it becomes that the dolls' heads are turning to them. My goal was to match the increasingly tense atmosphere and eventual return to safety with dynamic music. I used an RTPC based on the player's progress along the path. The values range from 0 to 100, starting from the first door and ending at the second. This RTPC changes the voice volume of different tracks within the music segment. The bass drone fades in as the player walks through the first door. The volume is maintained until they get to the second door. The various swells have a similar volume curve. The tense strings drone intensifies as the player passes the last doll, which is less subtle with its head turning. All of these tracks fade when the player approaches the second door, which is when the hopeful strings drone fades in. Here's the combined result. This has been a sample of some of my dynamic audio work. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach me through LinkedIn or email.